Hey folks out there in YouTube land, actually doing kind of a different video today. A little repair for the BMW F30 fan motor problem. I know I've been trying to do my own research online about leaves getting stuck in the fan motor. It makes a really strange sound. It sounds like there's something stuck in there and it's like kind of like that. Don't mock my noises, but anyways, so I've seen one person online post some pictures of it, but it didn't look like a complete tutorial, so wanted to give you guys a really quick overview of it. It's a pretty easy fix. There's going to be this piece right here, which is on the left side of the car, the passenger side. Literally, this thing just snaps in, so you just remove this cover. Once you do that, there's going to be a bolt right here. It's not this one right here, but there's one that goes like horizontally that connects right here. I took it out. It takes a while to get out. I think it's about 10 millimeters, I want to say. But once you get that piece out, then there's going to be another bolt right about here on the side. You take that out. This whole panel will swivel. You can just bring it right in. Let me grab the light. And you can see right in there, you can see the fan. All you have to do is take vacuum. Just suck all the leaves out. You can take a screwdriver, lodge some of the leaves loose, and just suck them all up. Make sure you turn the fan cage a little bit, because there were some leaves that I didn't catch at first, and that's the quick fix. So hope you guys resolve your problem. If you have any questions, just comment below, but I appreciate it. Thank you.